National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Loudoun County, Morgan County, Northern Ray County, Rowan County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 8 miles northwest of Spring City or 13 miles southeast of Crossville. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Rockwood, Kingston, Lindor City, Grandview, Eagle Furnace, Pine Orchard, Fairview, Harriman, Oakdale, Dearmond, and Bradbury. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. This storm is capable of producing strong to violent tornadoes. If you are in the path of this tornado, take cover immediately. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest North Carolina and central Tennessee and southwest Virginia. The Knoxville Airport Climate